How to fix Telegram search not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve if the search function on Telegram is not working, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to solve if you're not being able to search anything on Telegram by tapping the search icon from the top right, what do you do in this case? First of all, just check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to the internet and make sure it is working just fine. Second, the problem could be with the Telegram app, so long press the Telegram app icon and tap the I button here. Come to storage, tap on clear cache, tap on clear storage, then again tap on clear cache and clear everything over here. Now once you've done that, if the Telegram app has an update, also just check if it has an update available, and if it has, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Then just update it, and once you've done that, you'll be able to open Telegram and hopefully be able to make your searches just like this. So this way you should be able to solve if the Telegram search is not working. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.